My third teachers, my dear brothers and sisters. My name is P.S. Asayuddin. We are from ninth class. Today we will going to talk about different Indian and foreign scientists and their discoveries.
A person is a who researches to advance knowledge in an area of natural sciences. శాస్త్రవేత్త అంటే శాస్త్రవేత్త అంటే సహజ ప్రాంతంలో జ్ఞానాన్ని పెంపొందించే పరిశోధన చేసే వ్యక్తి. Now I am going to tell about Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai is born on 12th August 1999 at Gujarat. His inventions, he played a major role in the launch of Aryabhatta. He started the cosmic rays or flow of energy particles with their source in outer space. He was a physicist and astronomer who initiated space research and helped in the development of nuclear power in India. He is the father of the Indian Space Research Organization. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1966 and also he awarded Padma Bhushan in 1972.
Next. Time management need ఉండలా.
Good morning to all. My name is Sri Adila Khanam and I am studying in 9th class B section. Now I am going to tell about Indian scientist. Homi Jahangir Baba was an Indian scientist. He was born on October 3rd, 1909 in Mumbai. Homi Jahangir Baba was Indian nuclear physicist and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Homi Jahangir Baba was also founding director of the Atomic Energy Establishment, which was named as the Baba Atomic Research Center in his honor. He was also founding father of the Indian nuclear program.
My name is P. Jyoti. I am studying 9th class B section. Today I am tell about Indian scientist Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison, one of the most famous scientists. He was born in 1847. The great scientist Thomas Edison was very hardworking. He invented the phonographer, the motion picture camera and early model of the electric light bulb.
Fast. Next. Time waste చేయకండి టైం వేస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్
Good morning to all. My name is S. Abda. I am studying 9th class A section. Today I am going to talk about Mokshalanda Vishveshwaraya. Mokshalanda Vishveshwaraya was born on 15th September 1861 in Mudnepalli near Chikbalapur. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Engineers Day every year. Engineers Day every year. Inventions. He is the inventor of the black system automated doors that were used in the conditions of overflow. He is known for this contribution of harnessing water resource and for building and consolidating dams across the country. He has discovered the dams. Awards. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Alan. I am studying 9th A section. Today I am going to tell about foreign scientist Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was a famous psychiatrist and cosmologist and professor. He was born on 8th January in New York, England. He graduated in University of Cambridge in cosmology. Stephen Hawking was best known as for his discovery of black holes emit radiation of heat, which he can dedicated by the instrumentation. It's a dangerous disease which can be paralyzed to the Stephen Hawking. He was not walk and speak and he was died.
Good. Next.
Good morning everyone. I am M. Ramu studying 9th class B section. I am telling about APJ Abdul Kalam. I am telling about famous Indian scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name is Aur Fakir Jalauddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. He studied physics and electro engineering. Also, he is the 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. He is called the Mr. Alaman. He is dead on 27 June 2015. Thank you for the championship.
Next.
Good morning to all. My name is M. Sadhana. I am studying 9th class.
Super.
Dr. Hargovind Karan. He was born in India in 1922. He was a pioneering biochemist. His work is
His work in molecular biology and genetics and revolutionized our understanding of DNA. He deciphered the genetic code, revealing how DNA instructs protein synthesis. In 1968, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for this breakthrough.
Next.
Good morning to all. My name is Yam Nalanje. I am studying 9th class B section. Now I talk about the Satyendranath Bose. Satyendranath Bose was an Indian physicist and mathematician. He made important contributions to the field of quantum mechanics. He is the best known for his work on the behavior of photons. He was born on January 1st, 1894 in Calcutta, India. He studied at the University of Calcutta and the University of London. He received his PhD in theoretical physics from the University of London in 1920. He returned to India to teach at the University of Calcutta. He collaborated with Albert Einstein on his work of photons. He received several awards